To justify the statement that Max is indispensable in all walks of life, we have got another example here. It's nothing but colorful rainbow. You all would have seen the rainbow, but have you ever noticed the independence of Max in it? Let's have a look at it today. A rainbow can be a full circle of light because you are normally standing on the ground. When you look at one, you only see half of it. However, if you were in an aeroplane, you would see more of the circle. You don't only see a rainbow after it rains, as rainbows can occur anywhere there's water in the air. In other words, you could even see one if there is sea spray at the beach or spray at a big crashing waterfall. Sometimes you may even be lucky enough to see a double rainbow, and this is caused by the light reflecting twice in the raindrops. The moon can also create rainbows. They are called moonbows. They are just like rainbows made by the sun, but they are made by the moon instead. On earth, we even see fog bows, which is where light reflects and refracts through fog to create a soft rainbows. Rainbows are multicolored arcs that form in the sky and are created when sunlight shines through the water. As a result, light reflects off the water droplets, bends called refraction, and splits. When sunlight shines through the water droplets, it splits into 7 colors. These are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This is called light spectrum, and an easy way to remember the colors in order is to use the name VIBGYOR. The outer color of a rainbow is normally red, and the inner color is normally violet. However, sometimes red rainbows are visible where you only see red light. This can happen at sunrise or sunset when the sun is on the horizon. When you water your garden, when the sun is high in the sky, you can get a rainbow all the way around you. 42 degrees away from the line is always red. If you turn around and look back, it is red. If you look at the figures 5 and 6 carefully, the primary bow red is on the outside and blue is on the inside. Alexander's dark band can be seen in between the two bows. You cannot miss it. It shows up really dark. For the secondary bow, red is on the inside and blue is on the outside. Picture is something called a white rainbow. It is very unique and rare. It is also called a fog bow because fog has small water droplets create this effect. Just imagine that there is a rainbow at sunset. What would you expect to see? We would only see red light because there is only red light. What would happen to the white light inside the bow? It would be red too. Rainbows are one of the most beautiful things that we see in the sky during the day. They are the circular arcs formed by the sun's rays and water droplets in the Earth's atmosphere. For thousands of years, mathematicians and scientists wondered about its mystery. Is there a mathematical explanation why rainbows appear as they do? The mathematics involved are parallel lines, circles, and arcs are composed of a cloud of rain illuminated by the sun rays. Since the rays of the sun are parallel, they are deflected at the same angle wherever on the cloud. The set of points in the sky which appears bright form a circular arc, the rainbow. The rainbow appears to have different colors because the colors that make up the sunlight has slightly different angle of deflection. Do you know the rainbow geometry also shows that any rainbow you see in yours and yours alone. Whatever a person standing next to you might see, it will come from a different set of water droplets, and therefore it will be a different rainbow.